As a mother of three, my kids frequently ask me a question: whom amongst us you like the most? And I'm pretty sure this question is common in all the houses. But how do we reply? Please let me know in the comment section what is your reply. Though we mean it when we say unconditional love, we somewhere fix some conditions to love them. Either they must be very good in studies, or they must do all their household chores on time, or give their whatever assignments are given has to be completed, or they show good behavior. Only then we love them. I came across a wonderful hadith of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam who had to deal with the same situation. Fatima radiallahu anha and Ali radiallahu anhu come to Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and ask the question, who amongst us you like the most? Now, Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam could not tell lies as his heart was cleansed from all kinds of impurities. But at the same time, Fatima radiallahu anha was dearly loved by Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And Ali radiallahu anhu is the one whom he raised like his own son. Now he didn't want to hurt either of them. So this was a reply that he gave. Hiya ahabbu ilayya minka wa anta a'azzu alayya minha. She is more beloved to me than you, but you are more precious to me than her. Look at that profound answer that he gave. Do you think either of them were hurt? Don't you think these are some of the easy methods that we can also follow in our parenting? Let me know in the comment section what are your challenges in parenting so that I can come up with some solutions in my upcoming videos.